up? Where we at?
We over here in Modesto, California. Representing this shit. Big corn with this hop. Give away $4,000 in cash and milk. We got Fresno showed up. All Central County showed up. We're gonna do this, bro. We're gonna show you how this goes down. Tune in. Stay here. If you ain't here, you swear.
For the haters, huh?
Kitchen fix going crazy in this bitch like a exorcist. Turning up, taking sips till your exiting. Big diamonds on my wrist and my necklace. And if you're still standing, then get to dancing. Start shaking asses, emptying glasses. Show who's the baddest, sweat off your lashes. Fuck up your weave, bitch, fuck it, get ratchet. Baby, can you shake some? Shake it but don't break none. Baby, can you twerk some? Wanna see if you can work some? Can you throw that ass back? Can you make that ass clap? Do it for them big racks. Drop it low, baby, dip that. Been dancing all night, just shaking. Doing everything, bugging and naked. Making them watch, you got it, keep swinging. But it's on the stop, they all been waiting. You say, baby, can you this? Baby, can you that? Baby, can you twerk it from the front into the back? Baby, can you twerk? Baby, can you work? Like a 9 to 5, do them thighs going first. Doing that shit like your kitchen fits. Going crazy in this bitch like a exorcist. Turning up, taking sips till you're exiting. Big diamonds on my wrist and my necklace. And if you're still standing, then get to dancing. Start shaking asses, emptying glasses. Show who's the baddest, sweat off your lashes. Fuck up your weave, bitch, fuck it, get ratchet. Oh, you like to take shots, faded but you can't stop. 6, 7, 8 shots, it got your whole face hot. Mix it with the moe. They say they getting more wet. Got you taking slow steps. Having thoughts about lone sex. Been drinking all night, big fitted. In your zone, it's a vibe, just gazing at the one that you like, impatient. Standing right by your side, just waiting. Just say, baby, can you this? Baby, can you that? Baby, can you twerk it from the front into the back? Baby, can you twerk? Baby, can you work? Like a 9 to 5, do them thighs come with first. Doing that shit like your kitchen fits. Going crazy in this bitch like a exorcist. Turning up, taking sips till you're exiting. Big diamonds on my wrist and my necklace. And if you're still standing, then get to dancing. Start shaking asses, emptying glasses. Show who's the baddest, sweat off your lashes. Fuck up your weave, bitch, fuck it, get ratchet. Doing that shit like doing that shit like fuck it, get ratchet. Get ratchet, get ratchet, doing that shit like fuck it, get ratchet. Doing that shit like doing that shit, fuck it, get ratchet. Doing that shit like fuck it, get ratchet. Fuck up your weave, bitch. Fuck it, get ratchet. Fuck up your weave, bitch. Fuck it, get ratchet.
Hey, ma, what do?
If you want it, you got it. You know I'm rockin'. They never could stop it. It's stuffed in my pocket. I go up for the score and they never could block it. After the show, I count up in the miser. Tears fall from the lies despite 100 bands through the time of the night. When you left, I ain't wanna live life. Now I'm happy on the in and outside. Can you make it better? Trap out like Griselda. Post up with Berettas. Hustling through the night, yeah. Spin the block for the stretch on. Wake the hood up when we wear them. And it's all gonna be alright, yeah. When that road choice take your life, Gucci pressure be on top of the Nike print. Friend them rich niggas kicking your bake though. And they should give a rollin' to niggas who own it, who don't know a thing but trap though. Blue faces, I put that over net. That shit that we sellin' up make you relapse though. Thinking I'm slippin', run up and get clapped though. I put that knife on the map, ho. Turn up on a bitch when I'm gone off a perk. That hoe gon' fuck on a fast beat. Been behind me, do the dash, keep Creeping up in the verse, you get jacked out your shit, you can't text me. Pussy nigga throwing shots, ain't at me. Strapped up, tell a nigga get at me. Tough love for a bitch, won't trap me. Pay for the body, then I give him the Mac free. Got a pound in the car, I'ma smoke on that. Left the stay for a show and I'm coming back. If he say he won't smoke, ain't no falling back. Want a bitch for the play, I'ma blow the strap. He ain't using his head, put it in his lap. He ain't ballin', could tell that he only rap. I just put 40 bands inside the trap. Every manifestation I'm calling real. Gang. Now can you make it better? Trap out like Griselda. Poster with Berettas. Hustling through the night, yeah. Tell Jill bust a right, yeah. Hop out, gun flames through the night, yeah. You know how I'm rockin', you know that I'm with it. You loyal to me, I make sure that you get it. If you want it, you got it. You know how I'm rockin', they never could stop it. It's stuffed in my pocket. I go up for the score and they never could block it. After the show, I count up in the miles. Tears fall from the lies despite 100 bands through the time of the night. When you left, I ain't wanna live life. Now I'm happy on the in and outside. Pick it up, throw it out, watch it come back. Got a whole 100 racks in the D or a bag. Count up that money, I run up the sack. Born on a jet with an illegal strap. That shit that they talk, I can tell you is cap. Up off the X and I only took out. Stay energized, I fall back from the tab. But I have it my way, I'ma pay out the staff. I feel like it ain't no bitch I can have. Sell run boot with the fur like a bell. Balenciaga, that Gucci and Prada. I got on our 3 and I boss every pair. When it's up, we'll be sliding and ducking from 12. Time wise, clockwise, I never fail. Ain't no slacking, we hustlin', we on it for real. He don't give it, we take it, you know what it is. Now can you make it better? Trap out like Griselda. Poster with Berettas. Hustling through the night, yeah. Spin the block for the stretch, tryna wake the hood up when we wet on. And it's all gonna be alright, yeah. When that wrong choice take your life, yeah. Be on top of that Nike print. For them rich niggas kicking your back though. And they shit give a roll to niggas who own it, who don't know a thing but trap though. Blue faces, I put that over net. That shit that we sellin' up make you relapse though. Thinking I'm slipping, run up and get clapped though. I put that knife on the map, ho. Gang.
For the game.
Hit a bitch that hop in the shower. If you think you fuckin' with me, must be fuckin' with powder. Always young in the club, like I fuck with the bouncer. We do what we want, we got money and power. When you 100 up, you can fuck on some thousands. In a couple years, I need a couple of houses. Don't make love to the pussy when we fuck 'em up pounded. I said, did I fuck your bitch? Do you know how you sounded? You a son of a bitch, I'm a son of the blood. Leo shoes at the door, don't step on the rug. My nigga did some faulty shit when I was showing them love. So I ain't let shit go, forever holding a grudge. I got a bitch that love her and she always come in the clutch. Her baby daddy a bitch, but I fuck with her son. I slow down on the smoking, but I'm still blowing them huns. The way she bless a nigga had me speaking in tongues, bitch.
Ain't even gotta spin no game, still gon' suck nigga. Where I'm from, we don't call niggas eyes, we call them sucker niggas. Fuck around and kill myself before I trust a nigga. And every nigga with me straps, don't be fucking with us. Just don't be fucking with us. Bitch, we some maniacs, cut off my favorite bitch, but I can't lie, I miss her crazy ass. T-Pain ass nigga, want his baby back, trap money. 5-10 brought out the janky racks. You niggas shooting out the whip, I'm bouncing out of it. I thought them niggas was 100, niggas counterfeit. What? She fuck with them, fuck it down the bitch. Like why you talking like you bout it, but ain't bout the shit? Like why you saying you gon' do this, but you ain't doing that? Soon as I moved to Hollywood, I thought about moving back. Niggas be gambling with their life till they shoot a crack. But all my niggas shooting first, fuck it shooting back, bitch.
So I woke up on the dot, rolling clocks, I ain't believing this. Now look, we at the top. I'm coming Hellcat, bro, just pulled up in the drop. My dog just dropped on the chain, he like, Jock, what you gon' top? I'm putting diamonds in my mouth, or I might just drop a watch. Reach for a chain over here, I'm dropping 30 out, that's mine. Why you calling her your girl when you knowin' she a thot? But it's okay, I understand what kind of man you is. It's family first, it's off the rip, I gotta handle it. Grown man, no little kid, what kind of bag you in? Put your knuckles down, we don't scuff or I bag them in. It's 2020, this a Benz, what I'm scratching in. Also it's sealed and it's him gon' crack it then. I'm from 9 year, but we got chops like it's Pakistan. Nigga said it's up, then it's stuck like it's happening in. Where that money at, I could give a fuck how bad she is.
If I hit it once, I'm busting in her jaws. I never hit it right. I left the park and go without the juice. They call me Barry Bonner, Barry Bonner. Bag chasing bitches, so come and pay me some. If I'ma eat, my brothers gon' eat. Yeah, I'ma save me some. Hey, little nigga, get your check right. Well, baby ain't hopping up in this whip and giving neck right. Hope I said it right. I just met the bitch and she gon' get the pipe. He think he Debo, but on my mama think I'm crazy tonight. Hey. Hit it once and she can't spend a night. I was broke, dead up on my ass, I had to get it right. I got it back, got these niggas mad. I'm doing niggas straight, this bitch fat. I ain't even mad, I can't even lie.
Flex all them bands, but you living on your mama couch. Bitch, give me brain, hella spits like a llama mouth. Big on the dead is just one thing that I'm gon' slide about. I'ma die about my respect on the game, fuck you talking about. Bitch, we some crazy ass goons, real African. What you say, nigga, Nigga cap again. Bitch don't got my money, hit the road, she got it pack again. Remember they was laughing at the kid, they try to shake my hand. Getting ahead in this bitch, Lord, I almost backed the Benz. Every time I step up in the building, I be shining, nigga. Going crazy when she throw it back, I get behind it, nigga. Niggas dissing Flash on the song, I couldn't find it, nigga. Bitch, if it's not about a buck, then I ain't signing, nigga. Bitch hella fine, but got an attitude with a smart mouth. I can tell a bitch for the streets, cause she asked out. Run up on Sean and guaranteed you get cropped out, bitch.
S3, you know I had to do it. Yeah. Move to the lane, I'm coming through. S3 is in the house, finna give y'all the blues. It's a takeover. I'm with the game over, cars jumping high. I can't stay sober, riding on Daytonas. Yeah. See him gleaming, you can never go wrong with a ghost at a zenith. See me creeping. Rolling on them 13s, focus on the hopper, got it bouncing like a sprint. I mean, bending corners, hitting switches. El Calajero finna come through, tripping, hurting feelings. Ain't that right, El Nino? Think this a game until we hit you with the Debo. 1, 2, boom, I'm slamming. Cappers in a JL sub, got me jamming. Who your captain? Huh? I bet we serve them. The real riders coming through, now these niggas nervous. For certain. We stay working, bend the corner on 3, then let it hang like a curtain through the parking lot, lurking, catch a victim, then we serving. Determined, I'm hot, bumper checking with a purpose. Coming through bad, acting like my Uncle Russ. Got switches, gotta hit him, gotta give it up. Square guns, spits and pumps just to lift the front. We finna come through clowning, gotta give it up. Now tell me, what would you do if I pulled up on you in a deuce and I served you in 2? And tell me, what you gon' do when my crew coming through, pulling up and they serving you fools? And tell me, what would you do if I pulled up on you in a coupe and it ain't got no roof and the system go boom and the bumper go bang and I scream San Diego while we do our thing?
Okay, now Romo got a strap, and Rucci got a strap, Jeezy got a strap, and Phoenix got a strap. Hey, bitch, I'm back and I'm better. Hey, Black Mac, Black Beretta. Hey, still trapping out the Jetta. Hey, serving crack, I won't let him. Hey, a trendsetter, my homies in the chin jacket, big stepping in this bitch with some big weapons. Hey, go the wrong way down the one way. Hey, put a nigga to bleed free gunplay. Hey, coming out from Monday to Monday. I missed a ride by my lonely. I feel like Tony in this bitch. The world is mine, you say you down and show me, little bitch. I'm at the line, I'm shooting shit like Kobe, little with a long nose like Ginobili. I'm known to give rich and bust down with my hand. I got a strap in my coat, bad bitch to the right. Fuck what you saying, getting rich till I die. Getting money, getting high, fucking bitches living life. Do the same night, and I can't get right. I got a strap in my coat, bad bitch to the right. Hey, bitch, I'm Molly up and I'm probably out my mind. I got a strap in my coat, bad bitch to the right. Hey, bitch, I'm Molly up and I'm probably out my mind.
I'm a Rucci counting Lucci's, getting money out of groupie. Niggas hating, bitches choosing, get the units, then I move them. Percocets, you know I chew them, think it's sweet until we shoot them. We done really made a movement, now with music talking units. Yeah, we rap it, but we do it, ain't the same. I done really came a long way from trips on that train. I might drop another 4 and kill the pain. Ever since I started ballin', I swear shit ain't been the same.
Hey, I got a strap in my coat, bad bitch to the right. Fuck what you saying, getting rich till I die. Getting money, getting high, fucking bitches living life. Do the same night, man, I can't get right. I got a strap in my coat, bad bitch to the right. Hey, bitch, I'm Molly up and I'm probably out my mind. I got a strap in my coat, bad bitch to the right. Hey, bitch, I'm Molly up and I'm probably out my mind. Go.
Instagram bitch getting flown out for dick. I'ma blow her back out with the blower on my hip. I'ma fuck it through the zipper, I can't never trust a bitch. I'ma trap like forever, I've been trapping since a jit. I'ma shoot it out the whip, she be drooling on my dick. You pay a rent, but we with your bitch fooling at a crib. I'ma shoot it out the whip, she be drooling on my dick. You pay a rent, but we with your bitch fooling at a crib. Test north, ballin' need a court. I just pulled a fort, finna nut on this whore. I want $1 million, so I'm finna go on tour. Pull the stick out, flame a nigga like some s'mores. She washing all the dishes, she doing all the chores. tour. She brought all her friends, but I told her bring some more. Hella way to the court, Walgreens, I'ma score. He still pouring ones, my little nigga poured a 4.
Hey, I got a strap in my coat, bad bitch to the right. Fuck what you saying, getting rich till I die. Getting money, getting high, fucking bitches living life. Do the same night, man, I can't get right. I got a strap in my coat, bad bitch to the right. Hey, bitch, I'm Molly up and I'm probably out my mind. I got a strap in my coat, bad bitch to the right. Hey, bitch, I'm Molly up and I'm probably out my mind. Go.
When the funk really go down, 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 who's really ready to ride?
These niggas ain't mobbing, these niggas ain't riding, it's field.
When the funk really go down,
Sim City, East Oakland in the building, nigga. 5-900, boy. Mad circle, nigga. Hey, these niggas not riding, these niggas not mobbing. Get up on these tracks and do a whole bunch of lying. Young filthy rich, I really play with them pistols. Knock a nigga down if he playing with my issue. Nigga, I been focused since my younger days. 10 stacks in my pocket, nigga crime pays. No problems, but nigga act like he do. AK-47, leave him chopped and screwed. And plus the 40 gon' hit ya. Beam on that thing, make sure I don't miss ya. Now your niggas wearing pictures of you on the shirt, your body in the dirt. Nigga, I told you you ain't want funk. Cause where I'm from, we don't keep the choppers in the trunk.
Down at Corporate, California, coming out of Corporate, California. There you go. Sickle Cell Records, Rudy Polio, Jay Sizzle, Black Man.
Yup.
All of them.
Who's really ready to ride? When the funk really go down, 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 who's really ready to ride?
D-Lo, D-Lo, D-Lo. I got my Mac cocked back and it's hanging around my neck, dawg. 4-5s, 8Ks, never fuck with text, dawg. Boy, we slide by, south, south, we don't drive by. You living by the gun with nigga, that's what you gon' die by. Hella guns, but I ain't selling you mine. And Mac 11 had you dancing like you Gregory Hines. Where I'm macking in mine, I swear to God that I never change. I be keeping all these hoes in line, I'm major pain. 4-5 with major aim. Boom, nigga, your brain. Zoom, nigga, that range. Rover, yeah, it's over. I stay leaning off them bricks of boat. That pro meth with codeine and how you rip for show. I know. See, in these streets, I'm a dog, I'm a threat. And these niggas wanna take me out the game, Malcolm X, yeah. And they don't wanna see me shine. Most of these niggas wish a nigga was in jail, even wish he died.
When the funk really go down, 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 who's really ready to ride? When the funk really go down, 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 who's really ready to ride?
What the hood hollering? FOD for show though. If a nigga yelling this, test his nuts and see if he on for show go. Funkadize the label, the umbrella, the logo. We rare, they don't make G's like this nowhere no more. Whipping up, whipping out, smashing, fire flashing. Ink him up like a photo, then mop out in that photo. Mask blasting, me and 3 other little manies. The big homies, sir, they mubbin', label me, raising crack babies. 14th Ave made me, seminary raised me. Since 1982, nigga, so who the fuck is you? But they know me, ask them all, I'm the big homie. And don't leave home without it. Keep it on me like a dope kid. Young niggas be acting a donkey. Let them do what they do. They better watch these rules and watch they steps. Niggas stay true. Yeah.
There we go. That's right. Look at this. This is hard work right here. This is what a champion gets right here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah. That's what's up right here.